welcome back. It is Makisha Stiles here, aka Kish, and I will be your tour guide once again for today. Now, you know, in the previous videos, we talked about the pros and cons of Forex trading. We talked about how to get started in Forex trading. We talked about leverage, risk management. We talked about a lot of different things, but now it's the ultimate. Today's video, we're talking about how much should you invest into your Forex education. Now, for one, there's no limit because I always say, like, I am always a student. So when it comes to learning something new, especially something I want to do, I don't have a limit on how much to invest. But for some people, okay, what is a good medium, Kish? So that's what today's video is going to be on. How much does it take to start trading Forex, and how much is, say, the Forex education? So one of the platforms I utilize, and we talk about it all the time, is xtreamfxglobal Academy. Now, we do offer educational platform, and what I like about it is, like I say in other videos, is that they provide everything that you need. So for one, the first thing that they do have is Forex education. A lot of people come in, learn this trade Forex. That's what we hear a lot about. You know, it's one of the largest financial markets in the world. You know, then we have crypto coming out right behind it. But then on top of Forex education, you're also getting the copy and paste trade ideas I talk all the time about. So here at xtreamfxglobal Academy, you're getting the education, you're getting the live classes, you're getting recorded education, okay, you're getting the trade ideas. But then on top of that, for those who might know a little bit about HFX, we also have HFX here. It's like a fast-paced market, okay? So a lot of the youth come in liking to trade HFX because it's fast-paced. So it's not as much to learn as Forex, but you can still get it in with HFX. So you would think, okay, well, how does the copy and paste trading work there? So with the copy and paste trading, you get it for HFX as well. But then it goes, and we also have Nadex binary. So for those who know more about binary options, we also have Nadex here. And with Nadex, you're still getting copy and paste trades, and the Nadex professional is a beast. She does very, very well, okay? And then we also have where those who require the extra mentorship, we have what's called the Core Academy. And what it does is give you just, you need the extra study hall session. I don't know if people have been to school, like you need an extra study hall. Like you heard what the teacher said, but then it's something about study hall that really helps you because now you're really like asking your questions because now you're among your peers. So it's like, okay, I can ask the questions now. So we have the study hall, set you up with everything step by step, and that's the Core Academy. Now, when it comes to investing inside educational platforms, what does that look like? So this is one of the most affordable ones I ever seen. The very basic of the basic is the regular Forex student package that is only $99. It's $99 a month. That's it. And what you're getting with that are access to professional traders, okay? Not just people from YouTube, but professional traders getting access to their copy and paste trade ideas daily, okay? You get access to the live education from professionals daily, at least 1 to 3 times per day. And then on top of that, you're getting the Forex Academy, which is self-paced. So if you like to learn at your own pace, we have the Academy, and then everything is recorded. And that's only $99 per month. That's it. And then what I love about it, not only is that it's affordable, is that it's no contract. So at any point in time, you can just cancel it and you're good to go. But then those who actually want to do what's called HFX trading, they do have another package that's $139 a month. That's it. But you see on here, you're still getting the trade ideas. But now you're getting trade ideas for HFX and for the Forex market. So now you kind of upping that leverage because not only now you're earning from the Forex market, no income claims, of course, is that you're now also earning from the HFX market. But then the ultimate, what I really like, especially for beginners, is you're coming in learning 3 different academies. So you're coming in learning Forex, yes, okay. Then you start learning about HFX, another income stream. And then on top of that, now you're learning binary options and Nadex, which they all 3 give you the trade ideas. So you're learning these and you're still able to copy and paste and earn at the same time. And that's only $179 a month. But then from a more advanced people, sometimes advanced people sneak on these trainings, as we do have the US 30 Academy. This is for the big boys and girls. So what we have here is one of the top US 30 academies in the world for one of the best educators on US 30. Certified, has every single credential you can think of to trade US 30. So if you want to learn from the best of the best, my advanced people, with just knowing the ins and outs of US 30, knowing the strategies, because I said it's for the big boys and girls for US 30, we actually have it here. It's a 6-month program $199 a month, still no contract. So you can cancel at any point in time. And as a special bonus for you actually getting involved in the US 30 Academy, we still provide you with the Forex trade ideas. And that's just $199 a month, like US 30 people. Okay? So then you come down. Let's say for those who want to learn, just dive really deep into it, you can't always add on the extras. So when it comes to really investing into the Forex market education, what amount should you spend? You're not really spending it because there's no end. Because spend, S-P-E-N-D, when you spend, something's ending. This right here, you're getting education. Education is not ending. You're continuously learning. Okay, we have all the best educators from around the world right here training you. So when it comes to, okay, how much should I invest in my education? That depends upon you. But I kind of tell you, y'all know I'm a researcher. When it comes to $99 a month, you can't beat that. Okay, then you can always upgrade at any point in time. But to get started, you can come on in at $99 per month and start copying and pasting from the best and learning this skill set from professionals. Okay, so this video is very short because it was straight, sweet, to the point. So for those who are looking to get started in our particular xtreamfx Global Academy, you can always contact me. My information in the description of this video. For those of you that are still looking around, make sure at the top part of this video, top right hand or left hand corner, you're going to see a whole playlist titled xtreamfx Global Academy or Beginner's Guide to Forex. Make sure you watch those playlists, and then you can always contact me in the description of this video. All right, so those going to be locking arms with us. I appreciate you, and I want to welcome you to xtreamfx Global Academy. For everyone else, I will see you all on the next video.